Hello, welcome to Lowry Solutions. Today we will be demonstrating RFID tag testing in our state-of-the-art Solution Innovation Center, featuring our SLS dock door portals and the Impinj R700 RAIN RFID reader. Testing with actual product is a critical early step to a successful RFID solution design. We bring actual product into our facility to determine tag selection and optimal tag placement. Simulating the item movement while collecting tag reads with Impinj's item test software allows our engineers to accurately determine the read percentage to ensure proper solution design. If you're interested in discovering how RFID technology can benefit your business, please click on the link in the description or contact us today to set up a discovery call. If you found this video interesting, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to be notified when we release new videos.